Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a diagram with a straight line y equals to mx plus c. At this point, I just want to highlight to you all that given in this form y equals to mx plus c, the m actually represents gradient. And the c represents this term we call y-intercept, which is actually the y-coordinate that of the point that the graph cuts the y-axis. So in this case here, this is where the line cuts the y-axis, and therefore for this particular question, the y-coordinate is -6. Okay, so with that knowledge in, then I can proceed to do part A, where they ask us to find the values of m and c, and after that write down the equation of the line. So step 1, I would get two nice points, point A and point B actually, and write out their coordinates, because then I can apply my formula for gradient. So for gradient, right, we will have y1 minus y2, so y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, so it's 2 minus 0. And after that, I just need to press my calculator. That will give me 3. And also I've gotten my y-intercept as -6 already. So my c is equals to -6. And therefore, when I piece everything together, the equation of the line will read y equals to 3x plus minus 6, where m is 3, c is -6. And let's move on to part B. Now they tell me that there's a point 0.8, -4. Is this on the line? So for this particular question, all we have to do is to substitute the x coordinate into the equation. So this simply means that my x, which is -8, I'm going to put inside the equation and see what y value it yields. So now that I have this, I just need to use my calculator. 3 times 0.8 minus 6, that will give me -3.6. Then at this point, we compare back to the point, and we realize that the point is -4. But we found out that for x equals to 0.8, the y is not -4, rather it is -3.6. From this, we can then safely conclude that since y is not equals to -4, this point does not lie on the line AB. Alright, we have come to the end of this problem. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.